Hey everybody, today I have this Acura that the Python auto start aftermarket start system doesn't work. So when you push the button to start it, you'll see that the lights flash 9 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. To tell you that the car has gone into garage mode where the auto start feature does not work. And if you notice, it's flashing very fast. So what you do to get it out of this mode is you come over to the car and you have to go underneath the dash and find the program button. This program button is just laying here on the floor. So what you do is you turn the key on, off, and press the button. And now, if you notice, the parking lights are flashing very slow, and they will flash 9 times very slow to tell you it's back into the active mode of the auto start working. So let's see if it's working now. And there we go. It has been re-engaged and now working. A lot of times what happens in the cars is when the batteries go dead, they default into the garage mode. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that in that corner. Please give me a thumbs up if you like the videos. Please give me a thumbs down if you don't like the videos. Please like and share.